Hi, I'm David. Laptops are getting smaller and smaller with fewer and fewer USB ports. 2 ports. You've got 2 ports to plug in your cell phone, your tablet, your printer, your mouse, your keyboard, external hard drive. There's so much to plug in, there's just not enough to plug into. Hot swapping device doesn't work either. You can't use 2 devices at the same time. If you want to transfer files between your flash drives, you've got to unplug your mouse and your keyboard. That doesn't make much sense. And now just going through a crazy mess of tangled cords just to get the one that you need. That's why we're introducing Infinite USB. Infinite USB is an open chain of USB ports, granting literally an unlimited supply of available ports. It's just that simple, it's just that easy.
I was a design major when I came up with the idea. It was just a concept at first, but after earning the IF Design Award in Germany, the design caught fire. Hundreds of thousands of social media websites and tech blogs like Engadget, Mashable, all my favorites, were talking about my design. It totally blew me away. So, why not? I decided to make it happen. I partnered with the most prestigious USB cable manufacturer in China, only to make the Infinite USB to be perfect. Small, elegant, and stable. We've made countless mock-ups and prototypes. I'm determined to provide the best possible product for those who love the idea. I've exhausted almost every method I could think of to build the thinnest circuit board. And now I'm confident to say the product is just perfect. It's elegantly slim, cheerfully beautiful, and dependably stable. It's even smaller than I could have imagined during conceptual design. You can put it wherever you want. It's yours.
Infinite USB is available in micro, lightning, and female USB ports. You can charge your Apple or Android or any smartphone or tablet all day by taking up 0 ports. My favorite part though are no more wild wires or crazy cable nests. Check this out. It's so cool, it's so simple, but it makes a world of difference. It's the magnet design. We need your help to bring Infinite USB to life. We've built the products, we've built the partnerships, now we just need to build the capital. We want to reduce product costs for new customers and we need your help to do it. This is Infinite USB. Small design, big change.